Well, it is 30th June at night 10:07. Time has up, but I don't know. I don't. I created so long. I've tried so many things. So let's just try to put this thing on if it works. I made this one using Quave Python, and so I have to host it on the Quave, not on that Netlify. So don't know whether it will be allowed or not. I have not seen got the part to put on the browser domain. I'll put. So what I made is a PracticePod. PracticePod is a AI powered training platform. What will happen here is you have to log in as your okay is a trainee. No, I don't have to do the training. First log out. Come on, log out. First you log in as a manager, and I'll obviously give the managers password and all the things so that you can try. So you go here, you add your password is easy. So user, you can add the assignment and create assignment and do that one. Once it is done, I'll just show you briefly because time is limited. I'll log in as a trainee. All right, once you have logged in as a trainee, oh my god, trainee 1 3. All right, once you have logged in as a trainee, you go to your assignments or dashboards are there. So let's say medical representative, we start the medical representative, start training, and you will select side effect concern. Okay, start side effect. Okay, start the call. Agree.
Side effects concerned.
Hello sir, how are you sir?
What about liver damage? I'm here to discuss drug safety, not exchange pleasantries. What can you tell me about the potential risks
Yes sir,
associated with
yes sir, he says, no sir, there is no risk. This is a very well tested. It is a three, we have done three different things. It is so far so good sir.
I don't trust these studies. So far so good isn't good enough. What if patients have reactions? Explain the methodology.
So this is how if you change let me just say the customer care. If we choose a customer care and angry customer for server down, what will service outrage, what will happen, how much time we have,
Service
2.51.
outage.
So yeah, hello sir, yes sir, how may I assist you today?
This service outage is completely unacceptable. I'm losing money because of this. What are you going to do about it?
We are going to fix it anyway. This is the situation, difficult situation that your trainee has to do. It can be it can be updated, it can be changed. So many things can be done. So far this is what I have to I could have done so far. I'll upload that one in the YouTube and share. Hope you like that. Hope I can submit that one in time. Bye.